Introducing Storm 2, the ultimate see-through power bank with 100 watts power delivery in-out, created for digital nomads. With its cyberpunk design and compact body, Storm 2 is the perfect solution for power on the go. Equipped with a 25,600 mAh battery capacity, Storm 2 powers all your devices with fast charge efficiency. For air travel, Storm 2's large battery capacity is still under the safe allowable limit. No more problems at security checkpoints. Forget about all the bulky, boring power banks that leave you hanging. You only need one to solve all your problems. Storm 2's vivid IPS screen shows the battery level, as well as important parameters for charging insights. For any device, Storm 2 provides an optimal charging protocol to fit its requirements. Even a MacBook Pro can run smoothly using its stable power supply. Storm 2 even provides a DC port with adjustable output voltages ranging from 3.3 volts to 22.5 volts. With Storm 2, you can handle any work or entertainment. It's more than a power bank. It is a comprehensive device charging solution. Storm 2 is not only for indoor needs, it is also an outdoor helper. With the add-on solar charging panel, Storm 2 provides a stable power supply no matter where you go.
Knees. We all have them. Some of them work better than others. You might be the squeaker, the creaker, the popper, the groaner, and you've tried every treatment around. An active life can take a big toll, and knee pain can severely impact your quality of life. In the United States, 2 out of 5 people over the age of 35 suffer from chronic knee pain. But you don't have to live with knee pain. Introducing the Revive Knee Plus, the world's first knee-specific light therapy device designed to help dial back the clock on your knees and put the spring back in your step. This isn't science fiction, but it does involve lasers. The Revive Knee Plus features next-generation lasers, which provide better penetration to joints and muscles compared to LED-only therapy. With its modular design, it's small, portable, and easy to use. Use it hands-free and cable-free. The magnetic bands are easy to connect and stay secure. Accurately target pain and inflammation for fast, effective relief. We're working with world-leading scientists and doctors to bring clinical-level, next-generation laser technology to the comfort of your own home. Revive's dream team of medically trained specialists work daily to keep athletes on the field, the U.S. Army and Navy in optimal performance, and weekend warrior CrossFitters in action. So stop being the creaker, the groaner, the moaner, and get back to moving with ease.
We know the consumer-level products that are in the market right now. We understand that technology inside and out, and we've chosen to take a different fork in the road and deliver a clinical-level device at a price that you can use in your home.
We've spoken to hundreds of people who are all suffering from chronic pain, mainly knee pain. And these people are not asking to be able to go running Mount Everest tomorrow. They're asking for help to reduce their knee pain today. Just get going, get active again. We have already completed prototypes and we're now raising funds for tooling and mass production to help people with knee pain get back on their feet.
One of the main reasons we're launching through Indiegogo is to build a community around this where we interact with other users like ourselves. With your support, we can bring a clinical level device to market at a consumer level price.
Introducing LaView, an universal 4G GPS tracker that offers a smart tracking solution for kids, seniors, pets, vehicles, and any other object. LaView enables real-time positioning with high precision, delivering an unparalleled all-weather barrier-free tracking solution. Other features include historical playback, geofencing, and SOS alarm. It allows you to do less, but achieve more. Ultra lightweight and waterproof, its 600 milliamp hours battery lasts up to 15 months per charge. If you have kids, or an aging loved one becomes disoriented at times, you may want to consider utilizing LaView to track their whereabouts and find them in an emergency. Using the LaView as a GPS tool to track your loved ones by no means restricts their freedom, but allows them to live an independent life while staying connected. Strengthen the bond by always knowing the exact location of your furry friends directly on your smartphone. The LaView is compatible with any flat collar and harness. It also features a virtual fence that allows you to set a boundary for your pets to ensure their safety. If they make a sneaky escape and go beyond the fence radius, you will get notifications right away. Outdoor activities can be fun, but also dangerous without planning. A GPS tracker is the perfect companion for your adventures and can play a crucial role in the wild. With LaView, you can share your real-time location with friends or use the one-click SOS function in case of an emergency. LaView GPS can also be used to track your personal belongings, such as bags, cash, or jewelry. It allows you to pinpoint where your stolen car or missing cash is. With LaView's mini design, it can fit in the palm of your hand and let you experience incredible portability. It offers endless opportunities and fits your tracking needs wherever you are. So please support us and get your LaView now.
It's a struggle living and working in the same space.
Hi. Oh. Okay. Nice. Bye.
You don't have to erase your flow. Introducing Secred Whiteboard by SableFlow. Easily swap art. Quick installation. Flip to open in either direction. Show your best side on every call. And a satisfying magnetic closure. Switch from work to home with a flick of the wrist. Now let's meet our founder.
Hi, I'm Tomer Saran, founder of SableFlow. I created the Secret Whiteboard when, like so many of us today, I was working at a kitchen table in a small apartment. I needed somewhere to organize my genius ideas, but hated how whiteboards take over a space. I was also struggling with feeling overworked, and the Secret Whiteboard gives me the space to feel productive and turn off work at the end of the day. The Secret Whiteboard hides in plain sight, so you can keep your workflow and your style. After 2 years of product development, our team is so excited to bring this project to you and see all the amazing ways that you'll use it.
Such as organizing your home, raising your kids, at game night. It works where you work. Have the confidence to host in a moment's notice.
Hi!
Back Secret Whiteboard on Kickstarter today. Secret Whiteboard by Sable Flow.
Try again. Shake. I don't think she knows. But that's okay.
All right.
Okay.